Have you been a victim of listening to Jake's mechanical keyboard while in the office? If so, you may be entitled to financial compensation. I got the same platform, the Keychron V5. I think it's the best layout, in my opinion, because it's almost a full size, but you don't get any of those stupid keys between the regular keyboard and the numpad that, like, I don't even know what it's for. So I'm going to show you how to make a stealth keyboard for the office that still gives you that tasty mechanical switch goodness. So on my current desktop keyboard, I used the Acco Lavender pre-lubed tactile switches. These are a very nice switch. It's a nice smooth, especially since it's lubed, it's a very nice smooth travel, and you still get that feedback bump whenever you actuate the key and you actually register a key press. Another technique I'm using, not only having the lubed switches, it reduces the noise a little bit, but you still get the bottom out when your switch bottoms out and the cap hits the switch. And that's what makes most of the noise. So what I've got is I ordered these little O-rings that sit inside the keycap, and it prevents the switch from bottoming out. So these are 0.4 millimeter O-rings, so it reduces the travel by about half a millimeter, and you get a nice soft bump at the bottom instead of a loud plastic clack. So we are going to build basically my desktop keyboard that I have at home, but an office version that is quieter, but still feels just as good. Alright. And like I said, the V5 is kind of a more budget-friendly option from the Q5. The Q5 is metal. This is plastic, but it's a very nice solid plastic. That felt different. Gonna make sure those contacts went in properly. Oh, okay. Yep. It just felt different for some reason. Cool. Well, it's always good to check immediately so you don't have to worry about it later. And like, all the switches go in nice and firmly. Like, there's no give or rattle. It's very, it's a satisfying insertion. It just feels and sounds nice and solid. Like, if you don't want to spend a lot of money, but you want something nice, this is a fantastic way to go.
Change hoes like clothes, I can get attached. Cause these hoes 5 starters like lit matches. I've been feeling really lost, looking all attachments. I don't really go outside cause I hate traffic. I don't wanna go outside, get caught in traffic. Tell the feeling like I'm trapped in my damn mind. Tell the feeling like I'm rapping a damn lie. Tell the feeling like my life is a damn game. Nigga really wanna die in the nighttime.
Alright. Check that out. Isn't that cool? Why is it focused over there? Very nice. Very nice, Bateman. But that's nothing. There's the keycaps. Actually, let's put these up first. I tried to only put the O-rings on the caps that I would actually need. Oh, that is nice. There's a very soft bottom out. Like it's a solid bottom out, but there's just a little bit of softness to it. Oh, and the O-ring bottoms out right when you go past the tactile bump. That's cool. That's nice.
Change hoes like clothes, I can get attached. Cause these hoes 5 starters like lit matches. I've been feeling really lost, looking all attachments. I don't really go outside cause I hate traffic. I don't wanna go outside, get caught in traffic. Tell the feeling like I'm trapped in my damn mind. Tell the feeling like I'm rapping a damn lie. Tell the feeling like my life is a damn game. Nigga really wanna die in the nighttime. Tell the feeling like I'm trapped in my damn mind. Tell the feeling like I'm rapping a damn lie. Tell the feeling like my life is a damn game. Nigga really wanna die in the nighttime. Tell the feeling like I'm trapped in my damn mind. Tell the feeling like I'm rapping a damn lie. Tell the feeling like my life is a damn game. Nigga really wanna die in the nighttime. Nigga really wanna die.
I just feel like I'm pushing these keycaps on pretty firmly. Thunk. Poop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ah, I'm off by 1. Oh.
Tell the feeling like I'm trapped in my damn mind. Tell the feeling like I'm rapping a damn lie. Tell the feeling like my life is a damn game. Nigga really wanna die in the nighttime. Only time I feel pain when I'm feeling love. That's why I said it on my face that I'm down on. Only time you come my mind when I'm all alone. That's why I'm never really alone in the nighttime. Change hoes like clothes, I can get attached. Cause these hoes 5 starters like lit matches. I've been feeling really lost, looking all attachments. I don't really go outside cause I hate traffic. I don't wanna go outside, get caught in traffic.
Don't forget to drink water, kids. Big sip, gang. My dog came in. Shadow. What are you doing, buddy? You're not gonna lay in your bed? Oh, I haven't typed or anything yet on it. I'm very curious. Divide. And my minus button. Oh, this looks nice. This is sick. Oh. Oh my God. That's so nice. Oh, wow. Oh, ooh. Oh, that's tasty. That is so tasty. Oh, that feels so that feels so much better, and it's so quiet. I'm so excited for you to hear this. Okay. All right. Gonna put the mic down next to the keyboard. So this is the regular one, and I think they both sound and feel great. But this feels way better than I was expecting. So this is my regular home keyboard. Sounds pretty good. It feels so much better than it sounds. It sounds actually, it sounds like it would feel terrible, but it feels incredible. You still get a nice firm bottom out with those O-rings, but the bottom out is like it's completely silent. That click is the key just coming back up. It'll be so much quieter in the office for sure. Okay. All right. So let me show you Via. Ooh, yeah, we're gonna have to turn that off. Oh, point the mic back at me. Let me show you Via. Gonna have to turn off this gnarly RGB. That's not really my thing. It looks impressive, and you can tell that it's a very. Well, let's see. Let's turn this. There we go. You can tell it's a very well done. It's a quality lighting, right? But it's not my thing. Oh, this keyboard feels so nice. I might have to get some O-rings for mine. Delete. Okay, we want to change that one. So it's 2. So 0 and 1 are the Mac first and second layer, and 2 and 3 are the Windows first and second layer. So I want to change this to home. This one I'm going to change to end. This one I'm changing to delete. This one I'm going to change to calculator. Is it special? Calc. This one. Ooh, copy and paste? That's cool. Yeah, you control C and V is super easy for that though. Yeah, I'll do volume down for that and volume up for that one. Okay. Let's do the key tester.
Tell the feeling like I'm trapped in my damn mind. Tell the feeling like I'm rapping a damn lie. Tell the feeling like my life is a damn game. Nigga really wanna die in the nighttime. Only time I feel pain when I'm feeling love.
Those are nice modes. Oh, I missed it. Oh, the ripple out from the pressed key is pretty cool. And the flicker. It's kind of neat. Oh, that's cool. Okay, I actually really like that. That's pretty cool. Oh, whoa! Did you see that? If you just hit it a little bit, it turns blue, but you keep hitting it, and it goes from blue to yellow to red. Like it's heating up. That is so cool. I'm gonna leave it like that. That's so cool. That's awesome. Okay, I didn't know that was one of the modes. That is so cool. Oh. That's sick. Okay. Alright. Well, that is how to build a stealthy office keyboard that still gives you that tasty mechanical keyboard feel without annoying your office mates. Be sure to do something kind for someone today, and I'll see you guys next time. So, what I've got is I ordered these little oat. Vanilla with Butterfinger.